Hey, this video is for NYC licensed electrician. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. And the first one I want to say that you need SSL certificate because your site is not secure. And SSL certificate is a bit of code on your web server that provides security for online communications. When a web browser contacts your secured website, the SSL certificate enables an encrypted connection. So it's kind of like sealing a letter in envelope before sending it through the mail. So the second thing I want to talk about content. Google like content, and you want to make sure you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website. And also, if you have pictures, then make sure they have saved with the correct keywords. If you check this one, for example, see, it just says home, so it's not doing anything for you. So if here will be like a keyword, so will be better. Google also can rank this. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. So if we come here, for example, and type Electricians NYC, first we can see this Google guaranteed ads. And then we see the normal ads, and then we see the map pack. The problem is nowadays the people already tired of ads, so they have ad blockers, so they don't see it. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within. There would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this, the maps here, you need to put more than what your competition has. You want to make sure you're looking for your competitors' directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop whatever your competition has. You want to get what they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in a search. And now we already covered contents and citations. Last thing I wanted to cover is the backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. As you see, this Yelp, like Yelp expertise, home advisors, so there are a lot of big national companies, and they're taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you, for example, did some work, let's say to the ice cream shop, and you did a good job and they give you the link, it's not going to be the same as, for example, if somebody gives you from relevant company, like another electrician company. So a lot of more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking forward to one of these of my tools here. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So, and as I can see, you have 12 referring domains that gives you 44 backlinks, and out of all of those, you are getting out of 43 organic keywords, and out of those keywords, you are getting 4 people on average to your site each month. So if you can see competitors here, he is on the first page of the map pack. This guy, ApolloNYC.com. If you check him, so he has 47 referral domains. That gives him 341 backlinks, and out of those backlinks, which is getting found them from 406 keywords, and out of those keywords brings them 588 traffic. So it's people on average on their site each month. And if we check his keywords and see what he said, he has, see they have electrical NYC on the one position, and it brings them 46 people. Electrical contractors NYC on the first position and brings them 43 people. And NYC electrician, 30 people, and 150 people look for that. And electricians in my area, 2,000 people looking for that, and 70 people going to their site. And you can see it kind of gives you an idea where to go and how you can do this same result and even more. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. And if you want to know more how to do this, you can reach me out and I can explain you more and we can talk about it. So that's pretty much it, and that's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about it, how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video, and thanks again, and you have a great day.